Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to embark on a delightful journey into the world of culinary wonders. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of two exceptional ingredients, honey and olive oil. Join us as we unravel the secrets, benefits, and amazing combinations that these kitchen essentials bring to our plates. If you're ready to indulge in a wealth of knowledge and flavor, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Segment 1. The sweet elixir of nature, honey. Let's begin with the golden goodness that is honey. A natural sweetener cherished since ancient times, honey isn't just about adding sweetness. It's a treasure trove of health benefits, unique flavors, and a touch of nature's magic. Segment 2. Honey's health benefits. Honey isn't just a delight for the taste buds, it's packed with health benefits too. From soothing sore throats to providing antioxidants, honey is a versatile ingredient that has earned its place in both the kitchen and the medicine cabinet. Segment 3. Olive oil, liquid gold from the Mediterranean. Now, let's shift our focus to the Mediterranean marvel, olive oil. Known as liquid gold, this oil has been cherished for centuries for its rich flavor, heart-healthy properties, and its role in elevating dishes to culinary masterpieces. Segment 4. Nutritional benefits of olive oil. Olive oil isn't just about enhancing the taste of your food, it's also incredibly beneficial for your health. Packed with monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet that promotes overall well-being. Segment 5. The perfect pairing, honey and olive oil. Here's where the magic happens, the pairing of honey and olive oil. These two ingredients create a harmonious symphony of flavors that can transform your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Segment 6. Culinary creativity and everyday use. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just someone who loves good food, incorporating honey and olive oil into your dishes opens up a world of creative possibilities. From sweet to savory, these ingredients can elevate your cooking to new heights. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of the enchanting world of honey and olive oil, I hope you're inspired to add these incredible ingredients to your kitchen repertoire. Experiment, savor, and experience the culinary wonders they have to offer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay connected with us for more enriching content. Until next time, keep cooking and exploring the magic of the kitchen.